What's going on, guys? Blessing to you, blessing to your family. Welcome back to 11FitTV. My name is Conrad. Thanks for joining me. Okay, so we're talking about push-up variations and how we can change the types of push-up that you do to make it more effective, to hit actually more muscle groups, because it's not only the chest or the pectoral muscles that we're working on when we use the push-up exercise, even though most people always go to it for that. Okay, so I'm going to show you another version of the push-up, right? And when I started doing this, I actually was doing it incorrectly because I was overextending forward, which is what you want to try to avoid. Now, this push-up, it brings into focus, as well as with the push, the hip flexor muscles, okay? So it brings the hip flexors into play, and it brings the shoulders more into focus as well. Okay. This, of course, many know as the Mike Tyson, because he usually does this very often. Well, what we want to do is when we go into the push-up position, right? Remember, I spoke about the overextension, right? What we don't want to do is go too much forward when you reach to the push stage, okay? So we're here with the push-up, and what we want to do is we're coming back as far as physically possible, and then we're exploding and pushing, right? Let's push that out a bit. So coming back and push. Now, here is where the overextension can be a problem, because you don't want to come here, then push all the way forward. No, right? That will bring too much of the shoulders overextending, right? And that is a problem. So we're coming here, coming back, and then we're pushing. As we get here, we go down, engage the push, right? We're not releasing this time. We're going up and coming back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I say that. Okay? So there and there, you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, you can use the push-up exercise, very effective. You can use it to gain strength, to gain hypertrophy, right? But you have to switch up those variations, okay? It makes no sense for you to do 80 push-ups unless you're training for a competition or you want to work on your endurance, right? It will not be as effective. You have to change the variations, right? Increase the level of difficulty, and then you will start to see the results that you're looking for. Let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to the channel, jump in the comment, leave a like. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Blessing to you and your family. See you again soon.